Hi everyone. In this class, we have to learn and the simple concept about the fraction. This is the part second. Sorry, this is the part first. So now in this part, first of all, common term. What is fraction? What is fraction? If a number are given in the form of a divided by b, this is the called is fraction. Upper value means a divided by b means numerator, and this is your denominator. In short form is this is your n upon d. This is your simple form. Okay. So now what proper fraction? Simple. What is the concept of proper fraction? First of all, fraction means a divided by b. Proper fraction means if your value of numerator is less than denominator, means if n is less than denominator, then this is your proper fraction. Just like example 3 upon 5, 7 upon 9, 2 upon 5. Here you can see numerator value is less compared to denominator, 3 compared to 5, 7 compared to 9, or 2 compared to 5. So this is your proper fraction. Now improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator value is greater than denominator. Just like example 6 upon 4, 7 upon 3, 9 upon 5. Here you can see value of the numerator is greater than denominator. So this is the simple concept of proper fraction or improper fraction. Now here mixed fraction. Now mixed fraction means a combination of what? Combination of whole numbers and proper fraction. Combination of whole numbers and proper fraction. Just like example 7 2 divided by 5 here. So how we can write here 7 plus 2 upon 5 normal x for explanation. So 7 is whole number and 2 divided by 5. Here 2 is less than 5. So this is your proper fraction and this is the whole number. Okay. So now here we learn next concept. Next concept for improper fraction to mixed fraction. How we convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? Improper fraction means the value of the numerator is greater than denominator, means just like 25 divided by 7. So 25 divided by 7 means 3 times 21. 4 is your R, this is your Q. जो यहाँ पे Q होगा वो कहाँ लिखेंगे 3. Remainder becomes numerator. Clear? Now one more example. 45 divided by 7. Sorry, इसको करते हैं अपने से 2 से. Clear? 45 divided by first of all 2 times. How many times? 2 times. So 1. So 22 is your Q. So here Q becomes 22. Remainder is 1. So this is your whole number and this is your proper fraction. So combination of whole number of proper fraction known as mixed fraction. Now mixed fraction to improper fraction. Sorry, and now mixed fraction to next topic is your mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, just like example 7 2 divided by. Clear? Now how we solve? First of all, denominator multiply with whole number, means 7 multiply with 5 plus 2 divided by 5, means 7 5 is 35 plus 2 5, so 37 divided by 5, means 5 7 is 35, 35 denominator multiply with whole number, after multiply addition with numerator, divide by denominator. 6 7 upon 9. Here first of all 6 multiply with 9, 6 9 is 54 plus 7 divided by 9, so it becomes 61 divided by 9. So this is the simple concept of mixed fraction to improper, and previous topic is improper to mixed. Now comparing. Compare of fraction, means compare means which number is greater or which number is less. Just like a two number is given, a divided by b or c divided by d. So first is what? First case, okay, a divided by b or c divided by d. Simple concept. First of all, cross multiply, means a multiply by d or c multiply by b. Clear? Now here first, if AD is greater than CD, then first ratio is greater compared to second ratio. Now second concept, if AD is less than CD, then second fraction is greater. Okay. Now third one and last, AD is greater equals to CD, then AB equals to CD. Okay. So this is the simple concept of comparing of fraction. Now we will take to one example. Okay. So now example is what? 3 upon 5, 6 upon 7. So what we learn first of all? Cross multiply, means 7 multiply by 3 and 6 multiply with 5. So it becomes 21 and it becomes 30. Now which one number is greater? 30 is greater. So now which property is applied? Property number second is applied, mean our second multiply is greater, so our second fraction is greater compared to first fraction. Okay, so this is the simple concept of comparing of fraction. So in this part what we have learned, simple concept of fractions, then mixed fraction to improper, improper to mixed, then last topic is compare to fraction. Now in the part number second we will learn about addition and subtraction of fraction. Okay, thank you.